I feel very happy. I don't know why. I feel like your body language together it's so wonderful that it makes other people light up. Yeah, and I've seen her, you know, for a long time, and I see her with you, and I see her really happy, and that's so nice.
The green moon.
Yes, the green moon. Now tell me something. Share a spicy behind-the-scenes story that happened to you on a film set.
Film's name is Uri.
Okay.
So what happened is we were shooting in Serbia for all the action sequences, and I'm playing a special force commando, right? So the uniform had a lot of like gadgets on me, and one of the gadgets was a GoPro, a small GoPro on my shoulder. So wherever, so the director said that, listen, let's do one thing, let's keep it rolling. So whatever footage we get, we'll put it on the war room scenes that, you know, this is your POV, because that's what it should be. So rather than shooting separately, you just keep it on. And the job was given to an AD कि यार बीच में off कर देना. And of course वो भूल जाते थे. मैं फिर shoot के बीच में I would go to use the bathroom.
Oh God.
And we were shooting in Serbia.
See everything?
And सर्बिया में क्या है, जो वैन है, वैनिटी वैन्स, वो यहाँ जैसे लैविश नहीं है, वहाँ छोटे ट्रॉलीज हैं.
हाँ.
So जब मुझे वैन यूज करना होता था, तो with my height I would have to bend. And ये GoPro यहाँ लटका होता था, और मैं वैन यूज करता था, आता था, शूटिंग करता था. Till a few days later, I asked my director, bro, how's the footage looking? हमने जो एक्शन शूट किया है, and he's like, बेटा रुक जा, वो एक्शन छोड़. मैं तुझे एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ, तू प्लीज ना अपना GoPro बंद कर लिया कर. मैंने कहा क्यों, क्या हो गया, एक्स्ट्रा फुटेज ही तो मिल रहा है, अच्छा डिजिटली तो है, मैं बड़ा बहुत गीकी हो रहा हूँ. इसलिए नहीं, जो फुटेज मिल रहा है वो बहुत कुछ मिल रहा है जो तू नहीं देखना चाहेगा, ना मैं देखना चाहूंगा, पर मैं देख, हमारे पास वो फुटेज है अब.
और वो तेरे पैरों की फुटेज नहीं है.
Yeah, so he was like, इतना भी जोश मत दिखा. And so basically then I told him कि boss, I can never say a no to any of your scripts in the future, because you have some footage of mine which I would not like it to come out anywhere, वरना सच में तौबा तौबा हो जाएगा. So that.
We appreciate that story.
I always feel like, you know, when we're wearing a mic on set also, and you go to your vanity or you're chatting behind the monitor with someone, I'm like, oh shit, I'm wearing a mic.
There's so many times this happens also, no? They sit with co-actors and you're chatting and the chat starts with नहीं, बंद है, हाँ ठीक है.
मेरे केस में बहुत बार होता है कि आधी कॉन्वर्सेशन हो गई होती है, and then it's like